Right, so one of the factors in determining the number of civilizations that might be out there that might allow us to communicate with is the very last factor in what's called the Drake equation. Are any of you familiar with the Drake equation? Anyway, one of the factors in determining the number of civilizations is the longevity. How long does the technologically communicative civilization stick around and stick with it and persist and broadcast and listen? And like you said, we've only been at it since the radio, and the Earth was a lot more radio loud than it is now, because now we beam stuff to satellites and beam it back down, so we got kind of quiet. So, if there's any aliens out there that wanted to watch I Love Lucy or whatever, they're going to be disappointed in a few years. And it's only been, we've only gotten out there about 100 light years, which is a teeny tiny fraction of our galaxy. And so the Drake equation has a lot of factors in it that are percentages based on number of habitable planets, number of planets that are likely to have life arise, the number of those that might have intelligent life. But the very last factor is that longevity factor. And if you multiply a bunch of fractions together that are on the order of 1, you get 1. And so it turns out that the number of civilizations that are out there are proportional basically to that longevity factor. And so how long a civilization is able to persist, and if there's lots of them persisting for a long time, there's a higher probability of us making contact. And if it's short, like say, I don't know, things went wrong in 1961 at the Bay of Pigs, or maybe in another 50 years when the oil runs out and we start sending bombs everywhere, or when we reach 9 billion people on this planet, there's a huge die-off because of some disease or virus, we wouldn't have persisted that long.